Okay, so here we are. We're at blogger.com, and it's a wonderful website. I've touted it before. Free and quick and easy. And so this is how we're going to create our blog. Now there's lots of different things you can do in Blogger, but for right now we're just going to make sure that we get our blog started and our first post up. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and you see the create your own blog now. Click on it and it'll take you to a web page. Now Google owns Blogger. They bought Blogger. So when you sign up for Blogger, you actually get a Google account as well. So you have to use an email address that you already have. And I have Randle07@gmail. So I'm going to type that in. Then my password. I'm not going to tell you my password though. And so it also tells you if it's a good password or not for your Blogger/Google account that you're creating. So we're going to type these things in. My display name of who's going to be writing the posts. You could choose your company name, your name. And then I've already read the terms of service before. I've already created several Blogger accounts, and so but I would suggest you read the terms of service before you click to agree to them. So now we're here and we want to name our blog. I think that this blog is going to be blogging with Mediajoltz. And we're going to come up with a URL. You could choose a URL of your liking, and that's why you could use your company name, your name, and have that be branded as such. Here we are. We can choose a template now for our blog. Now we could go back and change the colors and things to these different templates. But you notice that there's different titles. Some have this sidebar on different sides of the template. And so choose one that you like, that you would rather. This way you don't have to do as much work to it. Maybe just change the colors or something like that. And so Mediajoltz is green and blue, and so I'm going to choose this one. That looks pretty good, and the sidebar is on the right, and I do like the sidebar on the right. So if I wanted to preview the template a little bit larger, I click on the preview template and it shows me a full version of what the template will look like. So it looks pretty good to me. I like that format, so I am going to hit continue with that template. So there we go. Actually, that's it. Our blog has been created and we can start posting right now. That's just how easy it is. So we're going to hit start posting. But first I told you that you can change your colors. So you go over here to the tab of template. And you have page format. That's actually loading. And then all the different tabs up there with the fonts and colors in HTML. And then get a new template. Unless you just all of a sudden change your mind, I don't see the use for that. Edit HTML. This is code. This is to change pictures and things like that. I can either email me and I can help you out with that, or I can help you with a PHP code guy to help you out with that stuff. But we are looking here at the different page elements right now. You could actually just change things that you want. Blog archive, about me, add another side element, add a footer. So you could actually really do a lot of changing without messing with the code on your own. So we're going to go to the fonts and colors. And I can see the website right there, and I can see the background color, text color, things like that. And I want to change the text color to a darker black. So I click on that and they went to a darker black. And now you can see the different things. Blogging with Mediajoltz is the blog title color. We don't actually have a blog description yet. That's going to be further in our settings part. But you can see the link colors. So they show you and explain the link colors and things like that. And you can really easily mess around with the different colors. You can change them right here. And so they do a lot of things at your fingertips without having to mess into the code. And you can see here too that they give you different colors that actually work with each other, so you don't have colors that don't match and a mess of a blog. So I'm just going to go through a little bit more and change the color of the sidebar title. And you can change your text. You've got your different fonts, and then you also, further on, you have your bold and your italic. But these are things also that you can change when you actually write your post. So we're actually going to save those changes now. So I've got green and blue, which match the Mediajoltz logo, and we're going to go here to post. And so let's do our first post. Let's see. First post. Blogging with Mediajoltz. First post of blogging with Mediajoltz. We're going to start typing. Oops. Got the W there. So it really is as simple as that. And this is kind of a what you see is what you get editor, where what you're typing is what's going to be shown on the post page. So when I bold, it goes bold, unbold. If I want to go ahead and bold that, and I want to show you what it would look like. This is HTML. So this is actually what you're doing, but we're going to go back to the Compose tab, and this is called the what you see is what you get. So when it's bold, it's bold. You don't have to worry about code. They really do a lot for just the beginning blogger. But I think I'm going to unbold that, and I do want to show you a little bit where you can change the fonts and the sizes and the colors and things like that. We're going to worry about the pictures and the video and what you could do with it later on down the road. We just want you to get your first post up. But here's a link. I scrolled over that. If you want to link to another blog page, you hit that and you just type in the link, and that word is now going to be linked to that website. And you can see that it turns into a hyperlink. And so we've now got something hyperlinked to Mediajoltz. I'm actually going to close that so you can see we publish our post. And our blog post published successfully, so we can view our blog. And there you go, blogging with Mediajoltz. There's our first post. And you can see that Mediajoltz that we linked before is a hyperlink to the Mediajoltz page. So there you go. That's our first post, and that's how you use Blogger to set your first post up.